Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ifactner.com's Learn Urdu through English video tutorial series. In today's video tutorial, we are going to talk about present perfect tense in Urdu. How do we identify present perfect tense? And how do we make present perfect phrases in Urdu with different pronouns? Present perfect tense is called fail, hal, mukammal. Mukammal is a thing which is completed. So it's fail, hal. Hal means present. Mukammal. Mukammal. So let's start. If we want to identify if a sentence is present perfect tense or not, then there are few rules. For example, at the end of the present perfect tense, we have got like चुका हूँ, चुका है, चुकी है. So we have got ka with some after some connection है, के after some connection हैं. For female, की है. And for first person, after some connection, का हूँ. Or and for the second person pronoun, for example with you, we write ke ho. So we have got का है, के है, के हैं, की है, का हूँ और के हो. Let's discuss some examples. For example, if we want to say I have eaten, I have eaten. So it's eaten is khana. Eat is khana. To eat is khana. I have eaten. For male, we say मैं खा चुका. So we have got चुका. चे पेश काफ अलिफ का चुका हूँ. And for female, we will write मैं खा चुकी हूँ. So for present perfect tense, we have got चुका हूँ for male and चुकी हूँ for female. Second person pronoun, you have eaten. So for you, we will be using तुम in informal environment and आप in formal environments or out of respect. Let's take तुम खा चुके हो. So you can add pesh on che, but usually we don't add it. and it comes with practice if you want to say it as chukka, chakka or chiki. So if you want to learn about these special characters pesh, zer and zabar, then I will give a link in the description and you can check out my tutorial on it. तुम खा चुके हो for male and तुम खा चुकी for female. तुम खा चुकी हो. But if we want to use आप for respect, then we say आप खा चुके हैं. Let's go on the next page. आप खा चुके हैं. You have eaten. So if you are talking to our dad or boss, then we say आप खा चुके हैं for respect. And female version is आप खा चुकी हैं. And we use आप खा चुके हैं and आप खा चुकी हैं for you people when we are talking to more than one people, or we are talking to a person and we want to show respect, then we say आप खा चुके हैं. You have eaten. So if we are talking to a group of female, then we say आप खा चुकी हैं. Group of male, आप खा चुके हैं. But if it's a mixed group, for example male and female, then we say आप खा चुके हैं. You people have eaten. Now let's take some examples for the third person pronoun. For example, he, she and it. He has eaten. वो खा चुका है. But if we want to show respect, then we say वो खा चुके हैं. And she has eaten. We will say वो खा चुकी है. For respect. And in informal environment, we usually say वो खा चुकी है. वो खा चुकी है. Now, if we want to say they have eaten, they have eaten, then we say वो खा चुके हैं for a group of male people or a mixed group. And only for a group of female, we say वो खा चुकी हैं. Now, we have eaten. हम खा चुके हैं for a group of male or mixed group, and only for female group, if we are only female, then we say हम खा चुकी हैं. But usually for female, we can also say हम खा चुके हैं. Similarly, let's suppose we want to say I haven't run. मैं भाग नहीं चुका हूँ. I have not run. So the male version is, now we are talking about the negative sentences, and I'm taking another verb which is bhagna. Bhagna. Let's write मैं भाग नहीं चुका हूँ for male, and मैं भाग नहीं चुकी हूँ for female. मैं भाग नहीं चुकी हूँ. You haven't run. So we will be using tum and aap in these sentences in informal environment. For to a male person, if we are talking to a male person, then we say tum भाग नहीं चुके हो. And out of respect we say आप भाग नहीं चुके हैं. And if we want to say you people have not run, then we say आप भाग नहीं चुके हैं to male people, male group. And she, sorry, it's, yeah. And for female, तुम भाग, you haven't run. For female version would be तुम भाग नहीं चुकी हो. And for a group, आप भाग नहीं चुकी हैं. So guys and girls, it's better if you just write it down, the sentences in Urdu, then you will be able to remember them. And usually आप भाग नहीं चुकी हैं. So if we want to say, we would like to say you people of, you a group of female haven't run. He hasn't run. He hasn't run. He has not run. वो भाग नहीं चुका है. और for respect, वो भाग नहीं चुके हैं. And if we want to say they haven't run, then we use this sentence also. We also use this sentence. She hasn't run. She has not run. वो भाग नहीं चुकी है. और for respect, वो भाग नहीं चुकी हैं. Or if we want to say those girls haven't run, then we can use वो भाग नहीं चुकी हैं. हम वो so you we have already discussed that we can use आप भाग नहीं चुके हैं, or for they we also use वो भाग नहीं चुके हैं. Let's suppose we want to say we have not run. हम भाग नहीं चुके हैं. And I would like to tell you one more thing. Instead of using हम भाग नहीं चुके हैं, we can also say हम भागे नहीं हैं. भागे नहीं हैं. And similarly, for she, we can say वो भागी नहीं है. We can use चुके and चुकी, usually we use it. But we can also say वो भागी नहीं है. She hasn't run. And I will give you this examples of these kind of present perfect tense in the next tutorial. Meaning instead of चुका and चुकी, we just say भागी नहीं है, and so on and so forth. हम भाग नहीं चुके हैं, हम भागे नहीं हैं. Similarly, for interrogative sentences, we just add क्या. क्या मैं भाग चुका हूं? और क्या मैं भागा हूं? Both are correct for male version, and for female, क्या मैं भागी हूं? Or we can say क्या मैं भाग चुकी हूं. And similarly, we just have to add क्या for question in front of the sentence, and we just use the simple present perfect tense. मैं भागी हूं. Instead of मैं भागी हूं, we say क्या मैं भागी हूं. क्या वो भागा है. क्या वो भागी है. So I have told you that we use चुका, चुकी for female, and चुके usually for plural for present perfect tense. But we also use मैं, for example, गा हूं. गा, instead of भागा, we can say भागा. क्या मैं भागा हूं? गी and गे. So for different verbs we can use only ga, ge, gi, or chuka, chuki and chuke. As an exercise, you have to use these verbs run, dorna, dorna. So you will just add दौड़ चुका हूं, चुकी है, वो दौड़ चुकी है, और चुके हैं. For this example, and another example is chalna. Chalna is to walk. चलना, walk. So we can say चल चुका हूं, चुकी हूं, या चुके हैं. और instead, or we can just say क्या वो चला है, क्या मैं चला हूं, चला हूं, चली हूं, और चले हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. If you have any question, then you can ask me in the comment section. Please like this video and share it with your friends and family. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.